Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to deselect magic wand tool in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, use magic wand tool. Click anywhere. Okay, then go to filter. Select tab inverse. Then select and deselect. Click this icon or hold Alt Tab and deselect. Use tolerance low number for this low selection. Low deselect or selection and use high number, high deselect or high selection, or directly deselect. Go to select tab, deselect. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.